I'm palate. I live at the roof of your mouth. I help you taste your yummy food and guide it down your throat safely. When you eat ice cream, I sometimes get a brain freeze.
Hey there, I'm uvula. See that tiny thing hanging in the back of your mouth? That's me. I'm like a little door guard for your throat, helping to stop food from going the wrong way.
Hiya, I'm earlobe. I'm the soft, squishy part at the bottom of your ear. You can decorate me with earrings or just give me a gentle tug when you're curious about the world around you.
Hello, I'm tonsils. I'm like a pair of guards at the back of your throat. I help fight germs to keep you healthy. If you ever get a sore throat, I might need a little extra help to feel better.
Hello, I'm throat. I'm the tunnel that helps you talk, sing, swallow, and breathe. Every time you gulp down water or shout, "Yay!" you're using me.